Good morning, everybody. This is Pramod Jaiswal. We are here to discuss conjunction no sooner than, and not only but also error finding. So we have already discussed previously. This is my second video in regarding questions discussion. I hope you would have liked my videos and shared and subscribed for me earlier. Let's see. So no sooner the advertisement appeared in the newspaper than there was a rush at the booking. Now see, we should first thing is find out the error, where the mistake is and where there is no mistake. So I see no sooner the advertisement appeared in the newspaper than. So here no sooner the advertisement appeared, this is not in question form. It should be no sooner did the. It should be no sooner did the advertisement appear. It should be no sooner did the advertisement appear in the newspaper than there was a rush at the booking place. So it should be in interrogative form. Next question. No sooner does the teacher entertain. Mark it, if the question is in past tense, the answer should also be in past tense. That's why we use did here, because the verb here is appeared, past tense. Therefore, we use did here. Now here you see, no sooner does the teacher enter the class. What do you find? Then the students stand up. No sooner does the teacher. So does is present tense. The teacher, no sooner does the teacher enter the class. Does and enter, this is present tense. Does the student, then, it should be not then. The question is here very minute mistake, but you should take care. It should be then. So this is silly mistake in part 3. So the answer is in section 3. Now next one, no sooner had the match started. Now here the tense is had plus V3. No sooner had the hockey match started. So this part is correct, I suppose. When it began to rain is also okay. But here when is used with hardly, not with no sooner. With no sooner, we use than. With no sooner, we use than. So, another question I would like to discuss. No sooner did they reach when the train had started, does the teacher enter? Yes, no sooner does the teacher enter the class. This is a nice question. No sooner does, another question, no sooner does the teacher enter the class. No sooner did we reach the station. No sooner did we reach the station when the train had started. When the train had started. You see now the part of no sooner did we reach. Here is first part, we reached the station. This is second part, when the train started moving out of the station. Started moving out of the station. Now see, you see, when No sooner did we reach. So did and reach becomes past tense. This is okay. Here again, when is used, which is incorrect. It shouldn't be when. It should be no sooner than. So this is the mistake. This is the primary funda with no sooner than. Now, I hope I am clear in making you understand. These questions come in your transformation of sentences and also uh, also in competitive examination. Now we shall discuss not only but also. As I have earlier said, discussed. So let's take up this question. He not only believes in hard work but also in honesty. So the placement of not only is very important. Where not only should be placed. That is the main problem. You see here, he not only believes, means here the believe is verb. If I use he not only believes, but also in honesty. Here believe is verb and honesty is noun. So this is incorrect. It should be parallelism. Both should be parallel, means same thing. If here it is verb, that should also be verb. So let's see, find another sentence. If we place not only here, he believes not only in hard work, but also in honesty. Now if we place, he believes not only, he believes not only in hard work, but also in honesty. Now you see, here not only in what? In hard work. This is noun, but also in what? Honesty. This is also noun. So you see, not only follows with noun, here also noun. So this is correct. So placement of the not only should give a parallelism. If it is verb, this but also should also take verb. If not only takes noun, but also should also take noun. So error is here. He not only believes in hard work. So he believes not only. So error is in the first one. Now let's take up the second question. Not only she makes homemade cakes, she also sells them highest order. No, sells them. Here it is, this question. So now let's see. She makes homemade cells and sells. Two parallel things which are verb. She makes and she also sells. So that means not only should be placed before verb. If I am using not only she, but also her friend, because if she is a pronoun, but also should also be followed by a pronoun. So this is incorrect. Not only she makes. So if it is like this, she not only makes homemade cakes, but also sells. But also sells them. Not only she makes homemade cakes, but also sells them. It should be but also. not she also, but also. Sells them. So now here, not only is followed by makes and but also followed by sells. This is verb, this is also verb. So this is parallel structure. So this is correct, but this one is wrong. So here the placement of not only is the mistake. Now let's take another example. Not only did they offer him good salary, but provided him. So not only offer him, but provided him. Huh? They, here it is verb, they offer him and they provided him. So this is verb, this is also verb. So the not only should be placed. They not only offered him, it should be they not only offered him good salary, but provided him with a beautiful but also provided him. Sometimes also is missing, but also provided him. So you see, but is followed by verb, and here also not only is followed by offered is verb. So this is parallel structure. Then it is correct. So you should understand about the placement of not only. It is very important. So now next question is, not only we saw the president, but also the chief minister. So the president, parallelism is between the president and the chief minister. That means this is the president is noun and chief minister is also noun. This is the parallelism, parallel structure. So it should be followed, means preceded by not only here. So we see not only the president, but also the chief minister. So what should we see? We saw not only the president, but also the CM. So here CM noun, the president noun. This is parallel structure. I hope I am very clear and you would have understood. If you are benefited by my teaching, please like and share my video, and also please subscribe for my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.